Welcome to Module 3, Due Diligence and Property Management, Lesson 2, Property Management. In this lesson, we will cover the principles of property management, best practices in property management, and how to develop a property management plan. We will also examine the role of a property manager in real estate investment and explore real-world examples of property management. First, let's start with the principles of property management. Property management involves the administration and operation of real estate properties, with the goal of maximizing their value and profitability. A good property manager should be knowledgeable about the property, the local real estate market, and the laws and regulations governing the property. Next, let's discuss some best practices in property management. These include tenant screening, rent collection, and maintenance. Tenant screening is the process of vetting potential tenants to ensure that they are responsible and trustworthy. Rent collection involves establishing and enforcing policies for rent payments, and maintenance involves keeping the property in good condition to attract and retain tenants. Now let's talk about how to develop a property management plan. A good property management plan should include a comprehensive analysis of the property, including its strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It should also include specific strategies for marketing the property, attracting and retaining tenants, and maximizing profitability. Moving on to real-world examples, let's analyze the role of a property manager in a real estate investment. Property managers are responsible for overseeing the day-to-day operations of the property, including maintenance, tenant relations, and financial management. They are also responsible for implementing the property management plan and ensuring that it is effective. Another real-world example is identifying best practices in property management. This can include conducting regular property inspections, responding promptly to tenant requests and complaints, and establishing clear policies for rent collection and tenant screening. In terms of activities, you could develop a property management plan for a hypothetical property. This would involve conducting a comprehensive analysis of the property and developing specific strategies for marketing, tenant relations, and financial management. You could also analyze the costs and benefits of outsourcing property management. Outsourcing property management can be a cost-effective solution for property owners who do not have the time or expertise to manage the property themselves. However, it is important to weigh the costs and benefits carefully before making a decision. Finally, let's consider some discussion questions. What are some common challenges faced by property managers? Common challenges include dealing with difficult tenants, managing maintenance and repair costs, and navigating complex legal and regulatory issues. How can effective property management improve the profitability of a real estate investment? Effective property management can increase occupancy rates, reduce turnover, and ensure that rent payments are made on time. This can lead to higher revenues and increased profitability. In conclusion, this lesson provides a comprehensive overview of property management and its importance in real estate investment. By understanding the principles of property management, identifying best practices, and developing a property management plan, investors can maximize the value and profitability of their real estate assets. Real-world examples and activities further enhance your understanding of the topic, while discussion questions encourage critical thinking and application. I hope this video lesson has been informative and insightful, and has equipped you with the necessary knowledge to become a successful property manager. Thank you for watching.